Yard man too crazy, you see me? Yeah, one of them thing I do now. Since we quit YouTube, you see me? One pile this so. And we got another pile here so. If me have a cutlass, it would have better, but I don't have a cutlass. I have to just use my hand and take up the rabbit. What they call it? A rabbit feeding them. When them again Spanish nigga? Yeah, that's all. Spanish nigga. So I just drag up all that Spanish nigga them. And them did have the place look kinda crazy. Over up on the side there. Yard man too crazy, you see me? Yeah, one of them thing I do now. Since we quit YouTube, you see me? I don't know how long I can do it for still. Because I myself I do it for and I not pay myself, so yeah. I don't know if you can see it. Pants full of a bor. All kind of bor. But the jeans may wear, you see me, so I can just brush them off. Pro tip, wear jeans when you deal with Spanish nigga, and you can brush it off easy. No, but the way I try the box off it, after me I bridging. Sometimes I have to wonder why you do certain things, because I sweep up this a while ago, see? But later, place full up with them again. Because the tree, it drop the little, get ready to bear fruit, so it drop them thing, yeah. Brother. No, I just waste my time a while ago sweep paper. That's what I gonna do. Yo, some things in our life don't make sense, but we do it same way. We do it same way. If I the country me live, then the rabbit them would have all of that for it. If me they have rabbit. I mean, I can't the country now way, but not no rabbit. I know nobody with no rabbit. Just gonna sell some rabbit food in the morning. Yeah. But anyways, me done here now. Go inside and probably look after some breakfast. I'm gonna show now my bridging. Time for me to stay here so. Where you gone? I go never me dig up here and anything there. And just come across and pick up all I bug them. I want to clip for the first time he fly down near me. I go show you. And he just a move team like in a business and then he just care about the bug them. Oh, I don't want nobody violate me, bro. It gets the job done. It's not about the tools you have. It is about how you use the tools. Don't forget a new broom though. Them are damn crosses, yeah. As long as you know there's something good, then you ain't coming in your house a problem. I kill you. Sorry, you gotta go. I wash up 2 plates now, make breakfast, go all a shower, and then see what the day holds. Yo, pal, we need to have a conversation, Like, I don't know, I'm using a dishwashing liquid very often. I don't know. But that one, for some reason, it caused my hand to strip like really quickly. I don't know what one. So whatever when I put in it, it's probably too much. So turn it down, yeah? Turn it down a little bit. If you want to go to the barbershop, I don't know if I go end up do that. I'm trying to figure out if there's anything else I need to do on the road. I need to check and see if I can afford to go to the barbershop. Because, you know, going to the barbershop is not really a necessity at this point. I don't have to. You know, it's not a do or die situation. Oh, yeah. Alright. I have extra money, let me just go. I like a trim, look decent. But if my bank account is saying it's not a necessity, then it ain't gonna happen. Straighten up your DPT and don't bow down. By ye the Chalamande now. Yo, you know them tune there? You don't know them tune there. You know them tune there. I lie or not tell you, you don't know them tune there as that. And as quickly as I wash the plate them, it is with the same speed that I go dirty them up back. I'm gonna make breakfast. I was thinking to, you know, do egg with franks tonight, but then yesterday I have some leftover from last night, some leftover franks. So I can just have the franks, so I can just fry an egg. So this can go chill back in the fridge. Maybe for later on. Boom, boom. Got 2 eggs in 1 pan. Some oil, cause you don't know when I really waste oil, you know. I bet you not tell me what I want. The pot never still wet, brother. Hold on, let me see how wet it was. I'm on the pot is still wet, brother. I'm gonna put this on the fire. I'll be a prop in there now. But I'm gonna see, you know. I'm gonna find out together. Mad properties are going on there now. So when I'm on a crack, you get a piece of egg come off. And you can use the shell, you see? You take out the piece where crack. So drop off on the egg. Boom. Easy. Gonna be nice. I'll make over there so man. Now I go too crazy with the egg. I just, you know, just regular whip it, salt, black pepper, and I have the franks there so, and then I go beat it. I water and I highlight. Prepping and prepping. That's how I tell you about with the dishwashing liquid. So make my hand strip. I don't know if you want to see what I go on. Put on a glass of bread today, huh? A regular bread, yeah. And just like that, we're egg done. You know what I mean? When we come back out of the bathroom now, we just put on the franks on the fire for like maybe like a minute, make it warm up, and we'll have that. Alright, soon forward. Yeah, man. Of course, you have tea, but I think it's a whole heap of tea. This, like, yesterday. I put the hot water to and then I put cold water on it and just some drink the tea, you see me? And it's the right temperature. I can't take when the tea is too hot, bro. You got some of the hot sauce. I'm saying nothing major now going on the breakfast plate. The egg with the franks, 2 slices of bread. Wash my hair to me, I know if I can see it, you see me? I am on my hair, wash. Just in case I decide to go to the barber. My hair clean. I wanted to make a vlog, but I'm sitting there. The camera battery, I got dead, Rasta. Like dead. I mean, you have some extras, but the extras were not like the original battery for the camera. So over time, one of them they end up running out and get fully depleted. Can't really use again. And the second one, it can charge, the battery life is not very long. And the original Canon battery now, let me show you, I can show you that. So this is the original Canon. So if you don't know nobody will have this, I think he went name LP-E17. So if you don't know nobody will sell this, like the original, have an original and they want to sell it, maybe even just want to give it to me. Link me up. Let me have the one the moment did buy. Some half brands, the one that still work, but they don't hold the battery life long. And this is basically dead. So we need to get a new battery now for my camera. Cause I put the original battery in the original charger and it just now holding the charge again. So I don't know what happened to it. It does not look swollen, but I guess maybe life its life has expired. Until then, I'm gonna use the phone camera. It's not like me that I use the other camera on the road much easily. Really. Why did I say easily? Because I usually just bring the phone. I use the phone when I out the door or out the road. But when I get home now and like I show the sandwiches and them thing there, we use the DSLR. I try to show up my chest. I start by my regular workout next week. I don't know if I can see it. No improvement still. But like, no? Alright. I'm done. I'm done, man. I think we did tell you this before. Or maybe not. We want to learn a skill. Like God want heart. But the thing is with the heart them, most of them like have like specific things with them deal with. And I think that's like a hindrance. Fly, please, bro. In terms of like giving people the opportunity to just learn whatever them want to learn, regardless of where them there. Because when we live right now, I think the heart that I would like to go to them offer it, but the program probably closed already. I mean, what I'm gonna do is either I'm gonna do tiling or learn to, fix fridge, AC them type of thing then, because those are things that are always going left. And you will always have a job. People are always need somebody to tile them house. Them always a build house. So them type of thing, and if you do your job good, then you'll be recommended all over the place. And the way how me stay mentally, would structure my thing in a way so that it just clean and professional, So that's what I would like to do. Go one of the heart, then go learn a skill. But my hope is that, get away now, man. Fucking donkey. Is that what I want to do? You know, say you go dead. You go dead. I was saying I hope that the one that whatever program I choose, it is close to me. Tell me if flying come from Satan. As I was saying, I said I hope the heart, the program that I choose, it is going on at the heart that is close next to me, and I have to move to our next parish. So heart, say it probably costs a lot of money, but I hope make sure say a majority of the programs that you have that people would like to get into, they are almost everyone I had. If you can afford it. I send them a message from IG asking, and seeing me. So I guess my question was not important enough to be answered. I want me a dash no water or drink. And just like that, people, breakfast is done. What I'm gonna do, I might just kick back and make my food digest. And then figure out what I'm gonna do from this, so if I can go to barber or not. Alright vlog, as you can see, I ended up going to the barber. Barber did a little sponge thing there with me here. Shit feel kinda stiff, I think he put some like a mousse thing in there. I want sponge for myself, Barber sponge, he look kinda rusty still, but by the time he start using it, it's too late to tell him, say, yo, nah nigga. But it is what it is, you see me? I get some food and possibly head home. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna just chill a little bit and let the evening take me where it should. But for the most part, I don't have nothing planned after this. So now I eat first and then see what I want to do. If I feel like going home, then I go home. Feel like kicking it a little bit. I don't see a lot of females about, so I don't know. Even though I don't have a problem being by myself still. You easy me. Or the cutlet. See that? I'm going on next. Yeah? Yeah? Good? Jiggy? Yeah, man. I look decent, you see me? I look approachable. And I look homeless again. She brother, see? Let me hear the price with them there, you see me? Because I scam at them, you know? Because some of them I sell some green lychee and that. And them I ramp with man. Well, if he come here, so I ask him why price. Because these niggas be on some scammy shit. 5 bills you like it? What you say? 5 bills you like it?
Anyone will teach.
Was it joke, yeah, me dog? I don't want to lie to them.
Yeah, it is a toast bag too.
Alright. I don't want to lie to them, man. You see me? Huh?
Maybe what Kevin also.
Kevin too crazy, man.
Eh?
Kevin too crazy, you see?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, he's a black nigga, a short nigga there.
A short one, a short black one of Kevin out. Kevin too crazy, this is in the YouTube.
A YouTuber, man.
Exactly.
Yeah, him.
Yeah, man, I mean, man. I mean, dog. I mean, man. There, man. Everything blessed.
I believe you want that.
I mean, man, you see me, dog. We don't want nothing to this, you see me? Yeah, man. We want to do your thing, brother. Man. 5 bills a bag. And they look like about 12 in there. See it? And they're pink. Like them kind of green-ish. Not fully green, you know. You have a little, like, you know, the little redness where you get, but it's not fully there. When I met the friggin' light them right on the tree in the bridging. Damn, niggas! But bless myself still you. The man say you don't believe you, I mean. I look like myself now? God damn it. Here's something I always think about, right? Like as a vendor, and if you are a vendor, if you know vendors, you know what I mean, you can explain to me in the comments. When you not sell off the product, Zine, what you do with it? When you dash away, or in a circle back the next day, when you see them, like food produce them. Because the brother I see with the lychee and the apple and them thing there, you see him sit down over there and he look like he not gonna sell off in the night, yeah. So, I guess with like the lychee you can see with it. But after a while, apple start go bad. So how long you gonna hold them apple there for before you say, you know what? Call it a loss, yeah, man. And I guess the lime them alright too. But how long you hold certain products before you just say, yo, freaky, but not even gonna load up the man thing. So that if you not buy from him tomorrow on the
I thought yesterday you have them receipt and give it to a crazy flag. All lychee them there.
so I just make him do him thing and selling us some old lychee, but at what point on the dash would they sit there? People may get some a KFC me did I get. Pro tip. Now I be a James may share with you, you know. If you don't buy a big deal at KFC, see, not if you don't feel like you know I got it. Forget a breast that is like juicy and them thing there. Go spicy breast, see? Spicy breast take a longer time to dry out. Because them have to soak the breast. So it take a longer time to dry out. If you go original breast, a breast they are gonna dry quick. Of course, barbecue breast, sometimes if it get cold you don't know so that rough. But in my experience, even when you get like a hot spicy breast and it got cold, you're still good, you see me? So go spicy breast. Yo, bro. Alright, vlog. So I'm home. I'm home. I have a story. I have a story to tell, but you know, I'll save that for a story time. But I'm home. I'll catch a fresh now and then go on my bed. But yeah. I got a story to tell, bro.